my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, hello, my name is Vania. I really hope that you will be amazingly interested from my video that I'm gonna make. It's Sunday today and I'm gonna make another one wonderful mask for your hair. It's gonna be full of beneficials for your hair. It's gonna be again for hair regrowing, for shiny hair, for such a beautiful, nice, natural hair. So I really hope you like this. By the way, I'm making this type of masks kind of I don't know, frequently, or at least once a week. So if you're interested, you can check on my other videos, some of my previous ones. You may like some other masks that I made. So because the Halloween is knocking on the door, and because the Halloween topic is pumpkin, so I have prepared today for you a pumpkin seed oil. It is such a nice oil for the hair. It's full of benefits. It's doing such an amazing things for your hair, and I really think that you will be interested in this oil. I'm not so sure that it's so popular oil, like for example the castor oil or the coconut oil, or one of the main oils that we are used to use in our hair. So because of this, I decided to read you just a couple of things that pumpkin seed oil is doing to your hair. Otherwise, the rest of the beneficials, you just can Google and read all the information. It says that the pumpkin seed oils, the pumpkin seeds are the excellent source of vitamin A, B6, C, and nutrients such as magnesium, zinc, iron, and calcium. All these vitamins promote hair growth, and nutrients help develop and maintain a healthy scalp. So applying this oil would result in long and healthy hair. And I guess that this is what every single woman in the world would like. A healthy, a long and shiny hair that is growing, if it's possible, a little bit faster. This is what I think every one of us would like to do. So because of this, and by the way, I forgot to mention that this oil, I can't remember exactly, I bought it kind of several months ago, and I'm not so sure about the price, but I think that it's not more than 4 to 5 pounds probably on eBay or something like this. Today I have prepared the 4 ingredients for this mask. The first one that I'm holding on my hand is this pumpkin seed oil. In most of the masks that I found in Google, they are measuring the pumpkin seed oil in tablespoons or in teaspoons or something like this. I'm just gonna add about, I don't know, about 1 tablespoon. So the next thing that I'm gonna add to this mask is gonna be a career oil. And I mean that this is my sweet almond oil. So I'm gonna add, I'm never measuring this oil, so I'm actually applying just as much as I want. So because actually I'm doing quite often this mask, this type of mask to my hair, so I know what amount is enough for my hair. But let's say that I'm gonna add sweet almond oil about 3 to 4 tablespoons. I'm just squeezing, you can see. Next thing that I'm gonna be add is this 100% raw organic extra virgin coconut oil. This one is from Lidl. You can find it anywhere, I guess you know. You can find it online, you can find it in any store. But I just have this right now. And today I'm not gonna melt it in a microwave because it's kind of because it's so warm at home. It's kind of not so thick. Because of this, I will grab about a tablespoon as well from this. And the last ingredient that I'm in love with and that I love to use almost in my every single mask that I'm doing at home is rosemary oil. It's almost at the end of the bottle. So as I know, for this type of super strong oils that are 100% pure oils, it's not recommended to use more than 10 drops. So because of this, I would like to be careful. I would like to take care of myself and to take care of my hair, but at the same time I would like it to be healthy and not to have any side effects. So because of this, I will add 5 drops of the rosemary oil, if it comes out, of course. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops. If you check my YouTube channel in depth, or if you know me in quite a while, so probably you may know that I'm kind of addicted to DIY home remedies and DIY homemade masks for hair and everything like this. But Guys, if you know me for quite a while, you'll probably see a huge difference to my hair. I'm 100% sure that this kind of a home remedies are really helping you. They are doing miracles to your hair, but believe me, you have to do this kind of a regularly. For example, once a week or twice a week. Of course, it depends how often you're washing your hair. I'm usually washing my hair twice a week, and at least once of those washings I would like to make DIY hair mask. It really helps my hair. It is really regrowing my hair. I love to try and to give a chance to some new oils that I don't know about, and I would like to Google to search an additional information for the oils, and because of this I'm totally impressed of some of them, and I would like to show them to you. So I will take off this elastic band. So it's like I'm gonna apply this mask as I'm applying every single mask. So you can see I mix the mixture, and just and the coconut oil is still in a kind of a pieces, but it's not a problem because when I put it in my hair and when I massage my scalp, it's gonna melt, of course, a little bit more. Just gonna, and as usual, I'm gonna, first of all, I'm applying all the masks. I'm applying all the masks just with my fingers, and I'm trying not to do this to my face. Okay, but it's not too bad. It's so liquid, so probably it will be better if you apply the mask in the bathroom or something like this. First of all, I'm applying the mask on my scalp. The most amount I'm applying on my scalp, then I'm just massaging to kind of warm up my scalp. This type of DIY hair masks are making my hair so soft and so shiny because I have curly hair, and most of the curly hairs are dry as well. And you have to do this quite often, as I said, and believe me, don't expect miracles from the first applying and from the first using of DIY masks, because you are not gonna receive any kind of extreme results from the first time. I'm doing this mask for about 1.5 to 2 years, and now I definitely can say that I feel my hair a lot thicker, a lot longer. As I told you in my previous video, when I colored my hair at home, I'm usually coloring my hair once in 3 weeks because it's grown up quite enough to be colored at home. Previously, I have colored my hair once in 4 to 5 weeks, and it was almost the same length of a new hair that is coming. Of course, if you don't have so many oils at home, it's not necessary to have all of them. For me personally, the most important oil that I can't live without is the coconut oil. It is doing miracles to my hair and my skin. And I'll show you, if I don't have enough time, what I'm doing. It's not too much oil that is left in a cup, so I'm just doing this, just shaking my entire hair and all the length of my hair. And then be careful, of course. Yeah, so there is nothing in a cup. My hair now is totally oily. Apply. So yeah, I'm just making kind of a messy bun. And I'm gonna stay with this mask for about an hour to up to 2 hours. I'm not so sure. I have to do some things at home. I have to cook now for dinner. Angels, I'm back again. I'm actually filming the end of this video in the next day. So I want to show you the final result of the mask. I'm really happy of this mask. I'm really happy how my hair looks like. And I just want to let you know that you don't have to expect the kind of a miracles exactly the next day or exactly just when you have used the mask once or something like this. You need to be constantly, you need to do this at least once a week. And I really promise you that you will gain the same results probably as I did in the past year and a half too. I feel my hair super full and thick, and yeah, if I do my hair with a diffuser, it actually starts looking like a lion. And yeah, I'm really happy with the result. I really hope that you will like this mask as well. Please, if you do it at home and if you have any impressions of it, or if you just want to leave me any comment, please leave a comment down below and I'll be so happy to read. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up to support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe as well if you haven't already. And I really hope you like this mask. For next video, I'm planning to film a kind of an autumn TK Maxx haul or kind of a jumper haul or kind of something like this. So I really hope that I'll be able to prepare this for this Sunday that is coming up. So yeah, if you are interested in, please stay tuned. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please press as well the bell button so you are going to be notified every single time when I'm uploading a new video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one.